We're back! And we're building a computer. Kind of. Alright, so I'm going to go over a few things here. I picked up this computer for my kids because they're going to be doing school from home. And right now there's one computer that they kind of share, and I needed to get a second one because I have two little kids that need to both go through school at the same time. So I picked this up off of Newegg. It was 200 bucks. It's actually a really nice system for $200. It has a 6th gen Core i5 quad core in there. And I picked up this GeForce GTX 1650 from Gigabyte, mainly because it is a low profile card, and it'll help with video encode and decode a little bit there, so that'll take it out some of the strain off the CPU. I've also picked up this cheap 500 gig Western Digital Blue and 16 gigs of G.Skill Aegis DDR3 memory, because that's what this system uses. So let's get to it. All right, we're going to open this up here. It's really simple. Just slide that right off, and here we have the insides here. Now, I'm not going to do anything with the CPU. It's got a good enough cooler on it that it should be fine. I am going to swap out this hard drive though, and we're going to install our graphics card in this blue slot here, if you can see it. And that should be pretty easy too. We're going to pull out those two. We're going to pull out this. Just disconnect these. Just need to pull out the, there we go. All right, install this here. Should just fit right into the same slots. Go. There. All right, that's good. Just plug these back in. All right, and that one's done. All right, now we're going to come to this video card. Now, I have gone ahead and swapped out the bracket to the half-height profile bracket. That way it doesn't stick all the way up. It does come with both, so it's you should be able to get them pretty easily. If it doesn't come with one, you can always buy one. They're usually $2 or $3, so nothing major there. But go ahead and move these cables out of the way. Just need to slide this in here. Okay, so I have found something interesting about this specific system. The PCIe 16X slot is down here instead of up here, mainly because there's a chipset that is soldered to the board right there. So they needed the extra space down below it to put the 16X. They put what appears to be a 1X in that spot. So the graphics card technically should still work, but I don't think we're going to get full bandwidth out of it. Something I just realized though is I'm going to have to wait to install that because I need to remove this and pull this out. Oops, I gotta take the front off too. So I'm gonna lift this up and change out this memory. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna stick them in these two white slots. Should be in there. And I'll go ahead and stick this back in here. Just lock that in place. Put that back in place, and route these cables real fast. All right, we're going to go ahead and install this to the 1X slot just to see if we can get it to work. And hopefully everything looks like it's supposed to. So, all right, let's get this back on here. Oh, the front, I forgot about the front. There we go. All right, put this back on here. And go ahead and clean up this little mess, and then we will see you guys at a Windows install screen if it works. If not, we'll be back for troubleshooting. All right, we're booting up here. All right, here we go. Here's our install for Windows. I'm gonna go ahead and just click a few options here. I'm glad that the video card is working, although I'm curious to know what its performance is going to be like. Accept the terms, custom 500 gig. All right, this shouldn't take too long, but we're going to go ahead and cut here just to save us some time in the video. Don't want you guys to have to wait around for a Windows install. And we'll see you back when we get to the desktop. All right, we are at a Windows desktop here, and I don't appear to have, yep, there it is. I got internet. It's gonna set up some devices for us, but everything looks to be working. I'm gonna check Task Manager here. We have our CPU, quad cores, 4 threads. We have 16 gigs of RAM. There's our SSD, and everything else looks good to go. We do need to get our graphics card driver. All right. It's gonna take a few minutes to download. We'll get that installed. But yeah, otherwise, everything else looks pretty good here. Still have some tweaks to make it his own, but I think this is gonna work for what we need. In the next video, when we come back, I'm actually gonna show you guys how to do some online protection. Since everybody's kids are gonna be doing some type of internet schooling, I'm gonna show you guys how to do some internet security. Basically, there's a product out there that you can get for free. It's an antivirus. It also has web filtering. It'll block inappropriate sites, game sites, streaming, whatever you want. It's very customizable for free. And I'll show you guys how to set that up in the next video. So please stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button if you liked it. Leave us a comment if you have any future ideas or for future videos, and we appreciate it. You guys stay safe.